Back at it again, knocking out another commercial property, pressure washing. This one has got the entire front of this building, massive building, looking at, I don't know, 50, maybe 70,000 square feet of flat work to do tonight. Shouldn't take, hopefully 6 hours, just because we've got some other stuff we've got to do while we're here as well. But we're rolling along. Let's see how the night goes. Chris is back working the surface cleaner right now. Been kind of getting out in front a little bit, getting some bleach down in some areas, getting some degreaser down in areas, just kind of getting everything dwelling ahead of it so that we can keep the progress moving forward. Again, this is another one, no water up front, so once we kind of burn through ours, we got to go all the way around to the back to get more. Alright, we are in the middle of a water transfer. Still got the 100-gallon reserve. Just go ahead and pulling out the 225 right now. Getting that moved over. Jason just got here. He's going to help us pressure wash this. He only had a couple properties to take care of tonight. They are currently working up around the side over here. Once we get done with that section, we're going to have to move the truck and trailer around. That way we can keep going down. We've got a long ways to go yet, get all the way to the other end. But the sidewalk kind of narrows up a little bit and then gets much bigger around the entrance, then it'll narrow up again. So it'll move along pretty good. How well the camera picks that up, but got the old purple lights on. Right now they're just sitting under the tank. I actually need to get them put inside of the tank, make it look a lot better, but helps out when you're really out in the dark somewhere and glance over and can see that water level. Chris and Jason running the surface cleaner right now. Jason got some, you know, pretty good experience on the big shopping center that we did a few weeks ago. He's getting pretty comfortable with that surface cleaner and stuff. Chris, is his first night on the surface cleaner, seeing if he's gonna, you know, like it or not, and decide what we're doing from there. We've got more and more pressure washing. We don't bid it, you know, we're going to say we don't bid it. We don't market it, but we've got clients that'll shoot us out, you know, asking if we can come take care of some stuff. Had another client today. We do 4 of their properties, and they fired over an email asking if we can come out and look at some pressure washing that they need done. So probably go look at that. Hopefully, maybe Sunday. If not, we'll get to it next week. We got a lot going on. Right now we're just wanting to try to get past all of these entryways. We got about another 8 or 10 foot section that we'll do, and we're gonna try to rinse all this, and then it's gonna be time to go around to the back and get water put in. All right, we'll let her fill up. Check out this employee break area. It is yellow blossom season right now with everything falling, so it looks like it is covered. Bird poop on all of it. So yeah, once we get done with the building, then we're gonna come over and just kind of get this, and then probably gonna fire up the soft wash system. There's a couple spots by the entrance doors that we're gonna hit with the soft wash system on the actual building that they were wanting to look at. But other than that, we're moving along pretty decent. So we started all the way down there, worked up around all the way across the front. We're here right now, and we just got to go to that corner, and we'll be done with the surface cleaning, and then just rinsing off the brake area, a little soft wash on the building just by the entry doors, and we'll roll her up and head on. I don't know, we'll see what time it is when we get out of here. We may go hit another little one tonight. If not, we'll just hold it and catch it either tomorrow night or Sunday. We've got some other pressure washing going on at some other properties.